Hello, welcome to the Renaissance Hotel at Chicago. This is a room tour of the Riviere Suite. So as we walk in, immediately to the left we have our bathroom area, which has the standard double sink, big mirror. Behind us is the shower area. Beyond that you have the toilet. So backing out of the bathroom, off to the right we have our bedroom. Has a king-size bed, lounge chair, big window to see the Chicago River, and our first TV. Off to the right we have our living room area, which has ample seating, lots of tables for board games and whatnot. Off to the left we have another big window which has a nice view of the Chicago River. It's a little hard to see right now because it's nighttime. I'll try to give you guys another view of that during the morning. Turning around, here's the living room area, our second TV, and beyond the living room area there's a dining table for 6 and a third TV, if that wasn't excessive. The first two weren't excessive enough. Yeah. So panning around, here's our living room area and our dining area. Off to the right we have a small table for coffee stuff, and in the cupboard we have a refrigerator. Good morning. As promised, I'm going to show you the view from our room. So starting at the very bottom, you see this little semicircle that's raised, a rooftop bar, and then beyond that we have a little bridge, multiple bridges, that traverse the Chicago River. And some nice hotels. That is all. Thank you for joining us.